Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we're focusing on the dynamic market for computed tomography, or CT scanners, across Southeast Asia. The demand here is surging, driven by increased healthcare spending, an aging population, and a rising prevalence of chronic diseases that require advanced imaging. However, the opportunity is matched by significant complexity. The ASEAN region is not a single market. It is a collection of 10 distinct regulatory landscapes. Let's look at the contrast. In Singapore, the Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, presides over a mature market. Here, the demand is for high-end systems, often with AI-powered diagnostic software and advanced low-dose radiation capabilities. Hospitals are focused on replacing older equipment with cutting-edge technology. Now, compare this to Indonesia or Vietnam. These are high-growth markets where governments are expanding healthcare access through national insurance schemes. The priority is often on acquiring a higher volume of reliable, cost-effective CT scanners to equip new hospitals and clinics, especially outside of the major cities. Navigating this diverse landscape presents a significant challenge for global medtech manufacturers. A common mistake is underestimating the localization required for regulatory approval. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A European manufacturer with a well-established CT scanner and a valid CE mark decided to enter the Thai and Indonesian markets. They assumed their CE certification would fast-track the process. In Indonesia, they hit a wall. The Ministry of Health required a significant portion of their technical dossier and labeling to be translated into Bahasa Indonesia. Furthermore, their device's software component was scrutinized under a different classification than in the EU, requiring additional validation data. Simultaneously, in Thailand, the Thai FDA required an in-country license holder and had specific requirements for post-market surveillance reporting that were not part of the manufacturer's existing quality management system. The cumulative delays from these country-specific hurdles amounted to nearly 18 months. During this time, a competitor who had partnered with a local expert secured approval and captured a significant first-mover advantage. This case highlights a critical lesson. Market access in ASEAN is not just about having a quality product. It's about mastering the individual regulatory pathways in each country. Success depends on deep, local knowledge to manage submissions, translations, and interactions with authorities efficiently. To successfully penetrate the ASEAN market, companies must build a strategy that respects this diversity. This involves creating a modular technical dossier that can be adapted, understanding local clinical data requirements, and partnering with a representative who can act as your legal and regulatory presence on the ground. For more insights on how to streamline your market access strategy in the ASEAN region, you can email us or visit our website. Chen-Global is here to help.